Hi guys, this is me Alex and Josh. I'm Wild Adventure 100 and Josh is making a new YouTube channel. So yeah, and we're here from the Outdoor Guild and we're going to do a review on the Jetboil Flash. So I'll take you around the outside of the unit first. As you can see, it's quite compact, neat to be worn on your belt or nice and small. First on the bottom we have the small plastic cup that protects the heat rings or the flux rings in here. This has got measuring marks on the inside for 1 cup or half a cup or a quarter of a cup here, so that's handy. That just clips on the bottom quite tightly there, protects it, and you can also store tea bags or sugar in there or whatever really. You also have this neoprene sleeve on the outside that insulates the mug, keeps the contents warm when you're drinking out of it. It also helps you to not burn your hands when you're picking up the actual unit. Also, if you look at the unit here, we have this kind of pack. This is a gel pack, so when the water is boiled inside of the contents, this will start to turn yellow as an indication of the heat. Here we have this kind of little tag here. This is quite handy for, you can clip your spork under like that, and it's completely safe and attached to the unit so you don't lose it. Right, so we're just going to set the Jetboil up. First, take the lid off, like that, and this lid's got a hole there for the coffee press, or got a small lid, hole here for the sippet lid, so you can use this as a cup. So take that off and put it to one side. Here's a gas cylinder. Here's a slightly bigger one, but usually you can buy smaller ones that fit actually inside the unit, so it's completely concealed, all sorts. You have this extra pot stand. This folds out like that and allows you to put other pots other than the Jetboil pots on the unit. Here we have the actual burner. And finally in the bottom we have this tripod. This folds out like this and then clips on like so onto the actual gas cylinder. This gives it extra stability. Then you flick out the gas knob, make sure it's twisted to the off position so you don't waste your gas, and it simply screws straight on the cylinder. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. So that's your actual burner done. Then you disconnect the actual bottom of the cup. Then inside the actual mug cup itself, the pot, you have a marking down here for a litre. And this fits on top, clicks into place. So I'm just going to add 2 cupfuls of water. So I'm going to use the mark inside, get a litre. There we go. It's a litre of water in there.
Do you spill anything?
So that's the burner assembled. So actually I might just swap this around like that so you can see the gel pack on this side. And I just simply put the lid on. Then out the back here with this piezo ignition, you just click that and it ignites there by, there you go, you see that? Just simply turn the gas, click the igniter, switch it on, turn it up to full power. That is how the Jetboil Flash works. So the estimated boil time for the stove is around about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So while we're waiting for this to boil, we'll put this to one side.
Yeah, as Alex said at the start, I am making a new YouTube channel because formerly I was the 13, but considering I can't get onto my YouTube account anymore because YouTube aren't letting old account users go on, I've got to make a new one through a new email service, so I'm probably going to use Gmail and make a new account, and well, yeah, so let's see what Alex wants now.
Okay, so here's a little tip for you. If you're looking for some kit outdoors, do not hesitate in looking in pound shops. This comes from a pound shop, Go and Camp. It's simply a small carry case with 4 simple mugs. All compact, tidy,
And plastic.
and plastic ready to use, yeah.
Very efficient.
So if we just get our stuff ready, so our Jetboil's on its way. Realistically, if you want to go lightweight, we could just use this as a cup, because it is actually a cup you could just use, as well as one person could drink out the actual burner unit. Just open up my brew kit, which is tin
So are we just boiling water, or are we actually going to be?
Yeah, we can make hot chocolate if you want.
There's the hot chocolate packet. It's Galaxy.
Yeah. And then we have
Tea bags as well.
tea bags of sugar. Here's the Light My Fire titanium sport. Really lightweight, pretty much indestructible, as it's made of aircraft titanium.
Never heard of them before.
So, telling me chocolate sachet.
What Alex has got this on it. This is going to be our workbench, like review table and stuff like this. Over here is going to be the work area where we like build woodwork stuff. Over there is Alex's trebuchet, which we'll do a video on later, and we'll show you guys. Over here is Alex's boats that we are restoring. It was quite up tall. We will do a video on that for you as well.
Right, so if you look here now, the gel pack is starting to change colour. It's starting to go yellow, so if I was, say, pitching my tent over here, I could keep an eye on this, and just to save me on fuel, I could look at this, and then as soon as I see this turning yellow, completely yellow, the whole flame sort of thing, it could tell me that it's my water's boiled, so I do not waste fuel. So yeah,
really good idea, isn't it?
so that's pretty boiled now. So I just use the easy turn knob here, switch off the stove, and see, I can still pick it up.
Voila.
This stove burns a lot hotter than most stoves, but I do say if you are going to be using it and you are pouring out, put it to one side because you do not want to burn it. So this thing gets so hot in use. So now the sippet lid also acts as a spout, enabling you to pour out your 2 cups of water nice and easy.
And that is how we use a Jetboil.
That just clicks back on, and you can even pick the unit up like this, move it somewhere, easy as. So we're just making our hot chocolate. So yeah, that's pretty much the Jetboil Flash. That's how it works. Really effective unit, really good. It's not cheap, it's on the expensive side compared to most stoves. It's around about 70 to 100 pounds. That's around about $100 to $120 roughly. So yeah, and another piece of kit I'm just going to quickly show you is this stool that was given to me yesterday, made by Felco, and it's the Model 60. It's a simple kind of fold out stool, really easy to use. You whip it out, lock it in straight away. So that's just that piece of kit. So we're going to sit down and enjoy our hot chocolates, and then we're going to get back to you on the boat and show you how to rig it and stuff like that. So see you guys soon.